Have you wondered when you hear a term like system of linear equation in one variable and two variable and in three variable? Let's go dive in this topic and let me give you very nice concept in this topic. Subscribe Unique Abel for more educational tips and maths related very nice topics. Okay, let me start from system of linear equations in two variables. In this video, we're gonna learn about solving system of equations by graphing, about solving system of equations by substitutions, about solving system of equations by additions. We mainly consider these things in this video. Okay, if you have any doubt, any comment, you can use the comment section to put down your idea there. Look, here we have examples of a skateboard, but before that, let me just introduce you what it does mean system of equations. What it does, what do you think a system of equations? Look, system of linear equations means when we say a system is a linear equations, we have to make the front side of the system of the equation 0, and we have to find the satisfying variables. So what it does mean a system of linear equations? A system of linear equations may consist more than two variables, yeah, but a system of linear equations consists of two or more linear equations made up of two variable or more variables, such that all equations in the system are considered simultaneously. Look, here for example, we can consider this example. Look, here we have two variables. The first variable is x and the next variable is y. We consider this system of the equation simultaneously. That means we consider both horizontal lines to make you very clear. So here we have to find the value of x and the value of y. That's all about a solution. So here, for example, the solution to what it does mean the solution. When we say the solution of system of linear equation, it can be any order pair. Any order pair. A order pair means in the form of x comma y. Yeah. So any order pair that satisfies, that fulfill this equation independently. In this example, the order pair, for example, we can choose 4, 7. That means for x and y. For x, 4, 7 means 4 belongs to x and 7 belongs to y. So let me substitute this x and value in the equation. For example, when I substitute 4 here, it becomes what? 8, because 2 multiplied by 4 what? 8 plus, when I substitute in the place of y 7, it becomes what? 15. Yeah, it is true. It is true. So the ultimate goal is to make this statement true. We can find any order pairs that satisfy. This is called the solution of system of linear equations. But not only the first horizontal line, but also it has to work for second one, because when we find solution to system of linear equation, that solution must satisfy the both equations, because we said earlier both equations are considered what? Simultaneously. That is the basic idea behind linear of system of equations. So look, there are also more than one solutions for certain linear of system of equations. Here we have just 4, 7, but we can find another. For example, for this one, we can find, for example, here is 2x plus y is equal to 15, then 3x minus y is equal to 5. Yeah, we can add both. When we add 15 and 5, it become what? 20. When we add 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x, then y minus y, which is 0. So 5x is equal to 20. We can find for x now. X is equal to 20 over 4. So in the place of x, we can find what? 4. If we find 4 for x, by substituting it, we can find y. Twice of 4 means what? Which is 8 plus y is equal to 15. To find y, we just subtract 15 from 8. Subtract 8 from 15, which is equal to 15 minus 8, which is 7. So you see, we can find in this way. So in the next video, I will show you how to find system of linear equations, and I will teach you a consistent system of linear equations and independent system. So what does mean the difference between consistent system of linear equation and independent system of linear equation? And this is just introductory part of the video. So we will keep in touch. So subscribe our channel to become our family. And if you have any doubt and comment, and also if I rushed, you can comment me. Thank you very much for your time.